Limgas. Masantos niyo na rin at kaya namin. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today at the media presentation of Limgas na Pangasinan. I know we see each other every year, and I hope every year we surprise you and our ladies surprise you as well. When we speak of beauty beyond barriers, we are reminded that true beauty is not confined to standards, titles, or appearances. It goes beyond what we see. It lives in the stories we carry, the struggles we overcome, and the values we choose to uphold every single day. To our candidates, please be proud of yourself. Whether you win or lose this competition, you already are winners because you are representing your towns. It is a great honor for you because you are the voice of your community. Each of you carries a story of resilience, of dreams, of hope. And in the future, you will inspire other people who would want to be like you. And in a world that often tries to define beauty in narrow ways, you stand here today, expanding that definition. Let me quote this famous phrase of Pia, our Queen Pia, which is beauty with a purpose and beauty with a heart. Now in Limgas, I hope each and every one of our candidates will be both. Will be both beauty, passion, purpose, and above all, I hope you will be strong, a strong woman, an independent woman that can stand on your own and that you can make each of your town and possibly in the future your province very proud of you. To our friends from the media, thank you for being our partners in the storytelling. It's been almost 4 years that we've known each other. You help amplify these voices, these journeys, and these advocacies. Through your lens and your words, you help shape a narrative that inspires not only Pangasinan, but the entire nation. Me being a First Lady, I would like to thank each and every one of you. Because of you, people have known or seen what Pangasinan beauty is all about. So, thank you so much. And to everyone here, may we continue to support platforms like Limgas na Pangasinan that empowers women not just to be seen, but to be heard and lead and to make a difference. As I was sitting a while ago, Malu mentioned to me, our tourism officer, provincial tourism officer mentioned to me that this Limgas is actually the 50th queen to be crowned. Imagine, Limgas has been here for 56 years, excluding, of course, the ones that we were not active because of pandemic. So, it is really magnificent. It's amazing to know that for 50 years, Limgas na Pangasinan has thrived. And right now, we are continuing to make it better. So, I know Cons is here and Malu. So every year they know our struggles. Every year we go through the same thing. And I think I would like to inform every one of you that next year we'll be planning to reinvent and rebrand Limgas na Pangasinan. And I hope through our journey of rebranding, do not worry, our advocacy for culture, arts, and history will always be there. It would just be a new one that we will present to you next year. And I hope you will be with us next year, our media friends. And again, thank you so much for being here with us. And for this year, please help us make history together. As we prepare to crown our 50th Queen, we will show the entire world that a modern woman truly looks like. She's a beauty beyond barriers. She's a modern Urduha. She's bold. Limgas is gold. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay ang kababaihan ng Pangasinan.
Thank you.